In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Perplexity AI for homework help. Whether you're working through science, history, or math, this walkthrough will show you how to get clear, reliable answers you can actually use. Start by opening Perplexity AI. Head to the official website and log into your account. You can use it on a computer or your phone. Just make sure you're signed in so your searches and threads are saved. Keep your login info private, and don't include any personal details in your questions. Next, enter your homework question clearly in the search bar. A well-formed question makes a big difference. For example, type something like, "Explain photosynthesis step by step." Use complete sentences and include any context your teacher gave you, such as the grade level or the unit you're studying. Be specific with your instructions to shape the response. You can say, "Explain like I'm a beginner." Give a step-by-step solution, or include examples. The more guidance you give, the more targeted and useful the answer will be. Around this point, quick note. You'll find a link to the official Perplexity website at the very top of the description. If you prefer the mobile app, the download link is there too, so you can follow along easily. When the answer appears, take a minute to review it carefully. Read through the explanation and make sure you understand each part. If it's long, skim the headings and then go back to any sections that need more attention. Always check the sources that Perplexity cites. Click through to verify key facts and deepen your understanding. This step helps you learn more and ensures your notes are accurate and trustworthy. If something isn't clear, ask follow-up questions. Try, "Can you simplify this? Give another example, again, or explain step 3 again." You can also ask it to use numbers, diagrams, or everyday analogies if that helps you learn. For math or problem-solving tasks, request step-by-step solutions. For example, solve this equation step by step. Ask it to show each operation and reasoning so you can follow the method, not just the final answer. If you want a quick study aid, ask for tables or summaries. Say, "Summarize this in a table to organize definitions, formulas, or comparisons in a clean format you can review later." When you're satisfied, copy the explanation and add it to your notes or assignment. Remember to put it in your own words and cite any sources your teacher requires. Finally, repeat this process for other questions and subjects. Build a habit, refine your prompts, and you'll get better results every time. Thanks for watching.